In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a promo code on Whop. So if you're looking to give your customers some great discounts or promotions, stay tuned as we guide you through the entire process. Creating promo codes is a fantastic way to boost sales, drive customer loyalty, and in general, keep your audience engaged with your offers. Before we dive into the specifics, make sure you have access to your Whop account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Whop website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at your dashboard. This is your main hub, where you can manage all things related to your business offerings on Whop. With your dashboard in sight, locate the Products section, click on it, and this will display a list of all the products you currently have. Your task is to select the specific product for which you'd like to create a promo code. This step is crucial as every promo code you create is tied to a particular product, ensuring your customers can redeem their discount with the right item. Once you've selected your product, it's time to access the promo code settings. Look for a menu labeled Promotions or Discounts within the product settings. Depending on the version or interface updates, these might be labeled slightly differently, but they should be straightforward to spot. Here is where you'll manage all your discount settings. Now, it's time to create your new promo code. Click on Create Promo Code, and you'll be prompted to enter some key details. First, you'll need a code name. This is what your customers will use at checkout, so something simple yet memorable like Welcome 10 works great. Next, decide on the type of discount you want to offer. You can choose between a percentage off, like 10% off the purchase, or a fixed dollar amount discount. It often depends on your pricing strategy or the value you want to provide. Another important option is setting an expiration date. This is optional, but creating a sense of urgency can encourage customers to use the code sooner rather than later. You might also consider leaving this open if it's intended as a long-term offer. Before wrapping things up, set your usage limits. You must choose whether this promo code is for one-time use, has limited uses, or if it's meant to be unlimited. This flexibility allows you to tailor promotions according to your marketing goals. Finally, once all these fields are set to your satisfaction, click Save or Activate to make the promo code live. This final step ensures that your customers can use the code during their next purchase. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily create and manage promo codes on Whop, keeping your customers happy and returning for more. Thanks for watching and happy selling.